Hello and welcome everybody from Tokyo. This vlog will be like a time travel, so if you ever wondered how people lived in the 1830s in Tokyo, then you should watch this vlog. This is the Fukagawa Edo Museum, which contains an authentic reconstruction, authentic replica of the streets and buildings of Edo from the 1830s. Well, I already mentioned in the travel documentary about Tokyo that this city was called back that time, in the time of the shogunate, Edo, and only after the Japanese emperor regained the power in 1868 he moved the capital from Kyoto to Edo, and then he renamed the city to Tokyo, and this means Eastern Capital. It's a very simple naming. So let's get started, let's go inside this very interesting museum. It's raining cats and dogs. A typhoon reached Tokyo, and this is the reason why I chose to visit this museum today, because I cannot do anything outside. It's a really heavy rain. The entrance fee is 400 yen. So this history museum is located in the Koto special ward of Tokyo. This museum is dedicated to recreate everyday life in the Fukagawa district during the late Edo period. Look at this. Of course, we'll go down and take a closer look. The museum is opened in 1995. Absolutely amazing full-scale indoor reconstruction of a typical neighborhood. You can really experience the atmosphere of old Tokyo, then called Edo. The central feature of the museum is the life-size replica of the residential area. It also has a sound effect. So we can find here complete streets, row houses, shops and warehouses. Also some eggs are sold. Some carrots. Really interesting place. The buildings are carefully reconstructed based on historical research, and we can walk through the area to observe how people lived, worked and interacted during the Edo period. You can also enter some houses if you take off your shoes. Some wax rice. Also some chicken sitting there above. The exhibition includes detailed interiors with household items, tools and furnishings that reflect the daily lives of merchants, craftsmen and ordinary residents. Wow, there is also a harbor. Amazing. The museum also uses lighting and sound effects to simulate the passage of time, including changes from day to night and seasonal variations, which makes the whole space feel much more immersive. Wow.
You must not disrupt.
I think, or I guess, this is the sound of merchants who are advertising their goods with loud voice, like this. Alongside the permanent exhibition, the museum also offers educational programs and cultural demonstrations connected to the traditional Japanese life. You can hire a tour guide if you would like. You can get some more information about the buildings. I'll go inside later to take off my shoes. Here's a huge tower.
So please come again. I will wait for you. It is an unbelief, and that's a kind of individual.
The city now known as Tokyo was originally called Edo, as I mentioned before. It was the political center of Japan during the Fukagawa shogunate. In 1868, during the Meiji Restoration, Emperor Meiji moved the imperial capital from Kyoto to Edo. The city was then renamed Tokyo, which means Eastern Capital, making its new role as the national capital of Japan. The Fukagawa area was part of what is known as shitamachi, which literally means low city. This term refers to the flat, low-lying parts of Tokyo, generally stretching across areas such as Taito, Chiyoda and Chuo on the eastern side of the Sumida River. Now it's raining hard inside also, not just outside. It is a little bit too dark to film it. During the Edo period, these districts, Taito, Chiyoda and Chuo, were home to the city's lower social classes, including craftsmen, merchants, fishermen and laborers. Despite this, shitamachi played a major role in shaping Edo's culture, as it was the center of everyday life, entertainment and commerce. Many of the traditions and cultural expressions associated with old Tokyo first developed here. This picture shows how the mother took her child for a bus. Nice picture. And they were sleeping together in a mosquito net. During summer there were many mosquitoes. So this was the vlog about the Fukagawa Edo Museum. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if that's so, please subscribe to my channel if you didn't do it yet. It's very important to push on the bell icon, because this is how you get notified about the new content. Have a nice day and goodbye.